Hey everybody. I'm going to go ahead and do one of the questions from today's assignment. I've had a few people reach out to me. I just want to clarify a few things and show you how I do the calculations to make sure you're on the right path. The one I'm looking here, the one I'm looking at here is number 2. So the idea to find the average value of this function is that you're looking at finding the average area under the curve. So what you do, if in general, from A to B, um, you're looking at a function. I'm going to make it f of x. This is the area of the function. And you're going to divide it by the width of your interval, which is b minus a, the upper minus the lower. So in that case, to calculate this top part, I'm going to use my calculator here in a second. So the integral of f of x, this is going to be minus x to the power of 5 over 5 plus 2x to the power of 3 divided by 3, or 2/3. You can put it all over 3 if you want. And then plus 4x. Now you're evaluating this from minus 2 to 1. So to do this calculation, I'm going to jump to my calculator. And I'm going to input this into y equals. And you can see I've already done that. Okay, so if you need to take a second, plug it in, by all means, go ahead and do so. And when I'm ready to do my calculation, because we're going to evaluate this function doing the upper minus the lower. Then after that, I'm going to divide it by the length of the interval. So how I evaluate, going back to the home screen, I'm going to hit this vars button and then go to the right under y vars. So this option will allow me to choose any function that I've inputted into the calculator. And I know y1 is where I put my function, and I put a parenthesis, and I want the upper is 1. So 1, parenthesis, minus the function evaluated at minus 2. So I'm going to go to vars again, go over to y vars, function, y1, and then I'm going to put minus 2 in the function. So this will be the area under the curve, 11.4. So I know this piece right here is 11.4. And I'm going to divide it by b minus a, so the upper minus the lower, which in this case is y minus negative 2, which ends up being 3. So to find the average value of this function, it's going to be 11.4 divided by the length of the interval 3, which will give me, divided by 3, 3.8. And that's the answer on the worksheet. Hopefully this cleared up something for you guys. If you have any more questions, please send them my way. If I have a chance, I can make a video to answer it for you. I'm going to post this for all, so I hope it helps.